Okay, we had a couple of examples left from um, lesson 14, and they had to do with parallel and perpendicular lines. So if we have two lines, we say that the lines are parallel if they have the same slope, if their slopes are equal. So you have two lines are parallel if their slopes are equal. And we're going to say that they are perpendicular if when you multiply them together, you get -1. Although it is easier to remember this by saying just that one is the reciprocal of the other one with the sign changed. So it's just is the negative reciprocal of the other one, right? So if you have one slope and you know that another line is perpendicular to that line, then the slope of the other line was going to be used, find the reciprocal and change the sign, right? Flip and change the sign. So, so again, if they're parallel, they have the same slope. If they're perpendicular, then one is the opposite sign, reciprocal of the other one. So the first example here, 11 says, find the slope of a line that is, find the slope of a line parallel to the line that passes through these 2 points. Okay, we have to find the slope of a line that is parallel to the one that passes through these 2 points. Because it is parallel, is going to have the same slope as the line that passes through these 2 points is going to be exactly the same. So that means all we have to do is find the slope of the line that passes through these 2 points. Now, to find the slope of the line that passes through these 2 points, we have a formula, right, to compute the slope. The slope is going to be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, right? It is rise over run. You subtract the y's, that goes on top, and you subtract the x's, that goes on bottom. Just keep the order the same, be consistent. All right, so let's subtract the y's. So that would be 0 minus 2, 0 minus 2, and then subtract the x's. That would be 3 minus, be careful with the signs, 3 minus -4. So that gives you -2 over 7, right? Negative and negative becomes positive. So it's 3 and, positive 4. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. Now, that's it. That's the answer. Because the line is parallel, so it has the exact same slope as the slope that passes through these 2 points, which is that. So that's the answer. Okay? Now, here's another one. The other one says, now is the same type of problem, but instead of saying parallel, it says perpendicular. So it says, find the slope of a line perpendicular to the line that passes through -1, 6 and 4, 4. Okay, so first of all, right, so let's find the first slope, the slope of the line that passes through these two. So let's find the slope of that line first. So that's going to be, again, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. You're supposed to memorize that, right? Rise over run. Then this is going to be subtracting the y's, 4 minus 6, 4 minus 6, and then subtracting the x's, 4 minus -1, 4 minus -1. Simplifying that is -2 over 5. So that is the slope of the line that passes through that and that, through -1, 6, and 4, 4. We're looking for the slope of a line that is perpendicular to this one. So it's going to be perpendicular, right? So that means the slope of this one is you're going to flip that and you're going to change the sign. So flipping that, we get 5 over 2 and changing the sign, it becomes positive, right? Negative on the negative, which is positive. So that's the answer. The answer is the slope of the line is 5/2.